All right, what's up, guys? It is a Wednesday night. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna go bodyboarding. We are gonna return to the point that was in a previous video. I'll show some clips now. The point is absolutely sick. I think it could be good tomorrow. We're gonna pick out our boards now and get the car ready. So, gonna go ahead and decide what we want to use tomorrow for this wave. Going into the garage here. Garage is an absolute nightmare. We're actually gonna take this shed and clean it all out, do a complete haul, and kind of turn it into a little surf and bodyboard shack. It's gonna be happening next week, so stay tuned for that. As for tomorrow, the water is very cold right now. It's about 44 Fahrenheit. Not sure if that is Celsius, but the Pride is my stiffest bodyboard, so I'm probably not gonna go with that. This is kind of in between the Botha bat tail, but this is my fastest bodyboard. And based on the clips I showed, and I'll show again of the point, I need a very fast board, so definitely gonna go with the Botha. And I think I'm also gonna bring this old Custom X PE Core bodyboard. I would say this is my best board for spins, and it's also pretty heavy, pretty buoyant, which just for some reason I have a feeling this will do good at the point if I need it to maybe do some spins and also get into the wave a little bit earlier. So I'm gonna bring this guy. I need to change the leash out though, because I got tangled up in this leash once and I don't want that to happen again. A lot of sand. My boards in my Pride day trip bag. Highly recommend getting a board bag like this. They're super nice for the car. Those are the two boards we're gonna go with tomorrow, and the hunt for scoring this point break wave begins, or continues. Car's heating up. About 36 degrees out. About 0 Celsius. Yeah, cold start. This current situation, the fog is super thick. Alright guys, we just rolled up. We're the first ones here. And I'm about to go see if we can see anything. Oh, damn, it looks good. Oh, it may have paid off. It might have paid off. I don't know. Look at this thing coming in. It looks like a good wave. Nice. So that's not the point. Point's over here. Just saw a wave break. It's peeling. All right guys, so basically where we're at is, know that there is a good looking peak, not at the point, but at the second jetty. And it's a little too dark to tell if the point's breaking or not yet. All right guys, just changed. Anyway, I got this big camera and I got the GoPro. I have this old tripod which works really good, and I have a plan with this guy. So he's gonna be coming down on the beach with us. We're gonna set it up, hopefully at the point, which I'm hoping is what we ride. But either way, we're gonna set it up and try to get some beach footage, because being that I am solo today, I still think it'd be great to have some beach footage. So yeah, I don't know if there's enough swell for the point yet. It looks pretty fun over that way, honestly, at the second jetty. So we might end up over there. All right, so we're at the point. I don't know if there's enough size or maybe not enough tide, but it's not fully connecting. So we're gonna set up all our stuff here at the second jetty, get some waves here, and then maybe try the point in a bit. All right, guys. So we've just set up our shot. Gonna hit record on this bad boy and I'm gonna go for it. You. I just had such a sick wave. So we did not end up at the point that I thought we were gonna ride, but we found this sick little break by this jetty and it's been cranking out a few gems so far. So epic sunrise. This is pretty sweet. Stoked. Alright, post session, still some nice waves out there, but need to take a little break. Point, trying to work, still needs more tide though. So this is where we were this morning. Still some waves coming in, but kind of closing out a little bit more now. Honestly pretty stoked. I feel like this jetty, I just hit it at the perfect time. with the perfect tide, because it's so much more walled up now. So it's just funny. The plan was to surf that point, but with the way the tide was, it just wasn't really even breaking. And then this ended up being perfect. So getting here at first light still worked out. Just not at the jetty we thought it would, but it worked out. Sick coastline. For sure a morning to remember, a morning for the books. Just pulled the trigger, went early, saw a wave that was good and got on it. Worked out.